Okay, please stand up, class, for our prayer. Lead with the multimedia. Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We're fine.
Okay, please sit down.
Thank you.
Is there any activities, class?
None, sir.
Well, since there is none, I will give you 10 points for your attendance. Is there any assignment, class?
None, sir.
Since there is no assignment, then let's proceed to our new topic. But before that, we have the classroom rules for us to be guided. I want Miss Kentoy to read the classroom rules.
Classroom rules. Ready to learn. Everyone gives a go. Silence when others are talking. Please say excuse me ma'am or sir with valid reason for you to be allowed to go out. Electronic devices must be put inside your bag. Collaborate to your groupmates if needed, and talking is not allowed unless you are told to do so. So it's in respect.
Okay, thank you, Miss Kentoy. Is there any questions about the classroom rules, class?
None, sir.
Okay, since there is none, I am going to ask you first about our previous lesson. Miss Ipong, what is our previous lesson?
Our previous lesson is about verbs.
Yes. Can you define what is verbs?
Verbs is an action word.
Okay, thank you, Miss Ipong. For us to be energized, our mind, I have prepared here some motivations for you. This activity is called Analyze Me. Okay, Miss Ronsel, I have sent some sentences in your GC. Can you please read those sentences?
Greg likes playing football, taking pictures, and eating tacos. The second sentence is Greg likes to play football, to take pictures, and to eat tacos.
Okay, thank you for reading. What have you observed about the sentences?
It's like economizing, sir.
Okay, thank you. Please sit down. Okay, Miss Noblisa, what do you think is our topic for this morning?
I think our topic for this morning is all about the parallel structure.
Okay, thank you. You are correct. Our topic is parallel structure. Parallelism refers to matching grammatical structures in sentences, elements in sentences that have the same function or express similar ideas should be grammatically parallel or grammatical match. But we are going to go further. We have these objectives for us to be guided. Please, Ms. Noblisa, read.
At the end of the lesson, students will be able to first define parallel structure activities and apply parallel structure in practical scenarios, and third, examine the importance of using parallel structure to support their statement of opinion and point of view.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Noblisa. Is the objective clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have the PowerPoint presentations to show for us to be guided. And after that, I am going to ask questions of what you have understand. Parallel structure or parallelism. Parallelism refers to the to matching grammatical structure in sentences. Elements in sentences that have the same function or express similar ideas should be grammatically parallel or grammatically matched. In our presentation, what have you understand? Or Miss Dundee, do you have any idea? What is the presentation? What have you observed in our presentation?
Based on the presentation, I think that the sentences involves a parallelism in the sentence.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Miss Dundee? What is your idea about the parallelism?
For me, parallelism, it's like sharpening or economizing the words in the sentence, also provided that it has the same grammar structures.
Okay, thank you. This time, let's have an activity, and you will apply parallelism in the given sentences. I have send you some link in your GC so that you will answer your answer there. I have put the link in your Padlet, for you to have the activity to pass.
Okay, sir.
Very good. For another activity, I have sent you a link in your GC so that you will answer some questions in your GC.
Okay, sir. Ready, sir.
Very good. Okay, for your assignment, you will write a paragraph about a life story and use parallelism in your paragraph. And I have sent a link of Google Classroom for you to send or submit your outputs. Am I clear, class?
Yes, sir.
I think that's all for today, and I am Ruben Silogin, your teacher. And thank you, and goodbye, class.
Goodbye,
Goodbye, sir. Tingnan din.